Hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR, my YouTube channel. Let's jump right to the heart of the matter. I'm making a preset for the Feld Hell Club Net, and you'll see that the filter bandwidth is only 100 Hertz, and that's the important setting for this preset. The rest of the settings are just basic data mode settings, and you can change them as you like. But I wanted to try this 100 Hertz to see if it would work and help bring the people out, the print out a little bit better on weak stations. And I also changed the filter bandwidth in FLDigi to 120 Hertz or 130 Hertz, trying to accomplish the same thing. And I believed it helped. So stay tuned, watch the video, and let me know what you think. Please comment below. Well, hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR in my YouTube channel. It's right before the net on Thursday evening, and we'll see the net control station start calling CQ here pretty shortly. But I wanted to show you a couple of things that I'm trying. The first, you'll see on the waterfall that this is very narrow, and I'm using the bandwidth, the filter bandwidth of just a 100 on my Icom 7300, and that is set in a preset that I have for this mode and for the net specifically. So it's set to just 100. And what a guy told me was that if you do that, if you're having trouble and you can't quite copy some, if the text isn't coming through very well and you don't have a very good copy, shorten it down to 100 Hertz and it'll probably help. So I'm going to look at configure again here, and we're going to go over and take a look at the modem. Let me find it here. And for Feld Hell, and just down here, the receive filter bandwidth, he said he used about 120. So that's what I'm going to do, is set it up for close to 120 as I can. And hopefully that helps with some of the stations that I'm not copying so well. But we'll see here shortly. Okay, here we go. Getting it started just at about a quarter till the top of the hour. And this, I believe, is Cliff, the Feld Hell Club, 40 meter net. And he's coming in real good right now. And as I mentioned, I set the received bandwidth to 100 in the Icom 7300. So the received bandwidth, and that's in the preset, and then in the configuration for the software, just in Feld Hell. Let's see, I set this to 130. He said try 120. I'm having trouble getting it right on the 120, so I'll just leave it there at 130. And yeah, so he was coming in, and he dropped out there. Okay, so he was checking in his call sign 3 times. That's what you do when you want to check in. Looks like we got another one here. Checking in. And there's another one checking in. VA3PC. And when he finishes, I'm going to start. And send my call sign. Okay, I don't see anybody after me. And these are the people he's got on the list. And he got me. Okay. I'm number 5 in line. Got a real good copy on Cliff this evening. Looking at my S meter, and it's about a S9. And then we had another one checking in 3 Golf Tango Yankee. Well, we got a good 12 minutes before this gets going, so I'll just watch to see what prints and come back when it's the top of the hour. Okay, it looks like Cliff's gonna get started here. Yeah, I've had a good copy on him. Yeah, I think just about everybody else is checked in too. It looks like we've got about I don't know, 6 to 8 check-ins. I'm gonna try something here. Up under configuration, Feld Hell, marquee text. Try that out, see what that looks like. And if you get too dizzy looking at that, it's easy to turn off. I right clicked and it just wiped out all that. Okay, I'm number 5 in line, so I'll come back when it's my time to transmit. Okay, and that's Paul finishing up. He is VA3PC and up in Canada, I think Ontario. And I always have a pretty good copy on him. I've had a good copy on, I think, everybody except one. So it should be my turn coming up. Okay. He's calling me. And all I have to do is send him my report in the macro right here. And the report's very simple. Just create the macro and save it, so I don't have to type it all out by hand, and that way I won't make many mistakes. We had rain on and off all day today, same way yesterday. I think tomorrow's supposed to clear out, and we'll have a pretty decent day. Oh, I made a typo. Yeah, I use the macro so I don't make many mistakes. I still make mistakes. So that's it. Sent my report in. We'll see, make sure he heard me. Great signal. Yeah, he's good too. It's a little over 9, maybe a 10 over 9. Okay, well that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Okay, well, 73 and good DX.